Hello everyone. Today I want to talk regarding the telecommunication problem being faced by the people of Zanskar. So since last 1.5 months, the people of Zanskar have been facing telecommunication problem. Our mobile network as well as the DSPTs have stopped working, and we were not able to contact our families, and we were worried about what's happening to them and what's happening in their life in such a harsh and cold weather. And from student point of view, most of the students from Zanskar are studying in different states of India, and many of them are facing a financial problem now because they're not able to contact their families. And I urge all and request all the concerned authorities to please look into this matter and restore the mobile connectivities and DSPTs as soon as possible. And we hope this problem will be solved very soon. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.